So now, tell me now what is the step we have to write? Yes, we were having some answers. Driver dot get. Yes, correct. What we have to find? Amazon page, right? This is what the home page we want to launch first. Right? On a home page, we have to search, right? Copy this URL and then we will write driver dot get. Correct? After you find, then you have to find this element locator, right click, inspect. And what is the locator we have? Input ID available, right? Copy this. So now we will practice XPath, right? So now can you write a XPath for this? Try. Can you write? Yes. Okay, so we have a question. What is the major difference ID? Both are giving same result, then why we use the many types? Okay, so in computer you have multiple options to do any operation, right? To launch a Google Chrome, you can do it from here also you can launch. Okay, again from a wherever you have installation from that point also you can launch. At the end it is going to launch the same browser. At the end it is going to launch a same browser, so you have multiple ways to perform one action in Windows or in any system. So in the software we have multiple ways to do one operation. Okay, so we are learning all the operations available. Okay, Viveka, so we are learning all the operations that we have.
Okay, thanks, ma'am.
Okay,
Thanks.
so now can you write a XPath for this? This is the ID. See and write. Yes. Can you write? Control F. Yes, correct, Harita. Correct. Others, double slash, input, square bracket, at the rate, and this is the XPath. We are getting one of one. Yes, correct, Vidya. Correct, Monali. One of one we are getting. Right, which input box is highlighted in the left side? Search. So, fine. Then this is the XPath that is correct. We have. Copy this and we will write driver dot find element by dot XPath. And to this XPath, we will paste our XPath expression and we write dot send keys. Dot send keys. In this, what we write, what we have to input? Mobiles under 30,000, right? Yes, correct, Seema, correct. Okay, so I'll write it in the next line. So this is, you can write, okay, and this is the search button you have to click on, right? Right click, inspect for this search icon that we have. So for this search icon also we have ID. You can copy this and write a XPath. Can you write? Everyone, can you write? Others, can you please write? Yes, everyone, right. Find element, it is only one. We have to click on it. What operation you have to do? Click, right, Sima? So we have to click on it. So we need find element. So right click, inspect. This is the ID we have. So I'll write a export double slash input. Okay, square bracket at the rate and paste it. Okay, so we are getting which button in the left side? Right, able to get this in the left side. Okay, this is the ID for it. So I'll copy this and write it. So here it is very long text of this all is becoming, right? So driver dot find element by dot xpath. So what is this? This is your web element. So we can create a web element as well. Okay, so we can create web element and which is a search button equals to driver dot find element by dot xpath and write a xpath expression and semicolon. And now, okay, import this WebDriver from the org OpenQA Selenium. Okay, search button, the search button dot click. Okay, dot click you have to perform dot click operation. So directly you can perform a operation. Okay, this statement also if I want to convert into this format, how we can write? We write a web element. Web element. What the name you can give? Search text. Okay. Equals to. Okay. And semicolon here. Okay. And this search text dot send keys. Right. So on this search text, we are performing send keys operation. On this element we are performing. So you can create a web element and perform this, or you can directly write this. So it is something like you have written integer a equals to 10 and you can call a sum method using 10 as well. Okay, you can call a sum method if you have using a. Both the meanings are same. Right, at the end a is having value 10 only, right? Means search text dot send keys, at the end search text is pointing to this element, so we are writing this element search text dot send keys, right? At the end this element is also pointing to the same search text, so we can write search text dot send keys in order to perform a operation on this element. Yes. So at the end, both the meanings are same. Because what is the value of A? A is 10 only. Right? Able to understand? Yes, correct. Okay, make a note of this program.